most especially the children, we wish to first and foremost thank Almighty Allah for making it possible for all of us to be gathered here together again for the 40-day prayer in honor of our beloved father and patriarch, the late Ambassador Demola Seriki'S, CON, and for making it possible for us to give him a befitting burial. There's a Yoruba adage, but I will translate it so that I don't go the wrong route today. I appreciate people to encourage them to do more. It is on this premise that I want to especially thank everyone for standing with us during this period. Permit me to express my profound gratitude to the leader of the All Progressive Congress, APC, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and his darling wife, our mother, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, and all members of the Federal Executive Council here present. Most especially, the Honorable Minister of Foreign Affairs, Mr. Jeffrey Onyema. Thank you so much, sir. In equal measure, I also wish to appreciate the dynamic governor of Lagos State, Mr. Babajide Olushola Sanwo-Olu, and his able deputy, Dr. Kadri Obafemi Hamzat, together with their lovely wives, the First Lady of Lagos State, Dr. Claudiana Ibijoke Sanwo-Olu, and Mrs. Oluremi Hamzat, for their unflinching support. I would also like to recognize the Honorable Deputy Speaker, Mr. Wasiu Eshilokun, Honorable Yakubu Balogun, and the wife of the late President of Liberia, Barrister Taylor. We would also like to thank our father's brother that is here, our dearest Uncle Moshood. We also want to especially thank our darling mothers. Thank you so much for holding fort, for staying strong, and for holding us together. We also want to thank our father's committee of brothers, friends, or friends turned brothers rather. In particular, and in no order of preference, Mr. Tai Damola, Mr. Tunde Salao, Senator Musliu Obanikoro, Alhaji Mitiware, Mr. Kunle Adeosun, Mr. Kunle Makinde, Mr. Lanre Shola, Uncle Ofe, Mr. Fred Koka, Mr. Lanre Shola, and so many more. I extend warm gratitude to all members of the Lagos State Executive Council here present and all heads of agencies and parastatals of Lagos State. We equally appreciate serving governors, past governors, and their deputies from the various states and of the Federation. We extend our gratitude to the Apex leaders and members of APC. We are grateful for the show of love and support. We recognize our highly reverend clergies, the Chief Imam, thank you so much, sir, here present. Thank you for your spiritual and moral support. We also thank our revered traditional rulers. We thank you all for your love and support. We treasure the full support of members of the various clubs that our beloved father belonged to. Eco Club, Yoruba Tennis Club, Ikloyi Club, and so many more. We extend warm appreciation to all families and friends, those we've mentioned and those we've not been able to mention. We thank everyone here seated and those who are unavoidably absent. I say, may the blessings of Allah remain and abide with you all. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Wale Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.